Got a dusty road in Tennessee light, a little town dreaming every Friday night. A voice like sunshine through the pines so tall, golden heart, nine stones and all. She sang about love, she sang about pain, about working folks riding that morning train. From mountain roots to the opera stage, she lit up hearts across the age. From a coat stitched tight with a mama's prayer to a world that finally heard her there. Hey, raise your boots to the queen tonight. From Smoky Mountain dreams to neon lights, working 9 to 5, chasing that line with a country soul and a heart that shines. Hey, every jukebox knows her name, every small town bar sings the same. From please don't take my man away, to love that lasts forever and a day. Oh, Dolly, hear the fiddles play, country hearts still swing your way. There was a girl named Jolene in the storyline, and a love so strong it could cross all time. Every tear turned into a melody, every hope into harmony. She built her dreams with laughter and grace, big bright smile and a fearless face. From porch guitars to stadium sound, she turned the whole wide world around with a voice so warm and a rebel mind, leaving little towns far behind. Hey, raise your boots to the queen tonight. From Smoky Mountain dreams to neon lights, working 9 to 5, chasing that line with a country soul and a heart that shines. Hey, every jukebox knows her name, every small town bar sings the same. From please don't take my man away, to love that lasts forever and a day. If love means letting someone go, her song still echoes soft and low. And every road from here to Tennessee carries her sweet melody. Hey, raise your boots to the queen tonight. Let the steel guitars ignite. From Nashville streets to the radio sky, her country spirit will never die. Hey, sing it loud, let the whole world see what a country heart can be. From mountain roots to legends crowned, Alex song keeps rolling on down. So pour a little whiskey, play that sound. Armonía Urbana, bringing country around for the queen of Raleigh stones and harmony.